Okay, YouTube, you're here for an unboxing video of a fun box that we won from Braille, and also we're showing you what we won from the Braillehouse party, the last one we went to, which was the Go Skateboarding Day. And we had a raffle ticket with our admission to the Braillehouse, and we won with this. This is 0628411 and 0628412, but the one we won from was 0628410, which we gave away. So anyway, I went with my daughter here, Karma.
Hi there.
Who's also known as O.K.Kutie on YouTube, which is the letter O, K, and then Kutie with a K. So look her up on there. Maybe I'll put the link in the description down below.
If he remembers.
If I remember. So when we before we won the raffle ticket, I was down and I caught the shirt. So GG Company, I don't know what that is, but thanks for the shirt. And I think I'll be giving that, it probably won't fit me, so it'll either be Karma's or my wife was also looking at it too. She was eyeballing it. So, and the biggest thing we won was a blank deck. It's unfinished, so I'm going to have my 18-year-old paint some graphics on it, and then I'll put some lacquer over it, and then I'll probably skate it. So and see what skating a smaller board feels like. So also we got volumes 1 through 6 of Skateboarding Made Simple. Karma here could use that. I probably could use a couple things out of it too. So that was awesome that we got that from Braille. We got lots of stickers.
Lots and lots of stickers.
Lots of stickers. We got the Frosty Skate Company here. We'll pull out the fun box.
So many stickers.
Got a bunch of Skate View stickers.
These are the stuff that isn't
We
stickers.
got something that's not even a sticker. I don't even know what that is.
I just put that in there.
Braille Army sticker. Orbit Skate Shop. A Tom Rohrer. I don't even know who that is. Revive sticker. That's cool.
I caught most of these.
Engine Technology. Don't know what that is, but cool. Skate Trainer. Skate View. Anyway, got lots of cool stickers.
We also got a Braille established skateboarding pin. Showed him that.
Yeah. So got a pin that'll probably go to the 18-year-old because the 18-year-old has a bunch of pins.
Yeah, and we got some grip gum too.
Yes, grip gum, which I already have some, so this will be going to Karma to use.
I need to fix my board.
Because Karma has red grip tape and it's always getting dirt in it. Also because Karma
Has dirty shoes.
and learns how to ollie in the dirt.
Yep.
Which is a good way to do it if you don't know how to do it. So we have the fun box. It's all taped up.
Well, if
All right.
planning to watch again later.
So, fun box. What do we get? We got May's featured skater, Tom Rohrer, the dude I didn't know who was just a second ago. Maybe I'll have to look him up. Anyway, okay. So, featured skater. Got some
Ooh, lovely.
black and purple tissue paper, which is awesome.
Fabulous.
We got Rub Your Deck grip gum shirt.
Rub your
And
deck.
this is, what size is it? It's a large, which will probably fit me, but I'm sure I'll actually probably wear it.
What's that, blow up? Beach
We got
ball?
a fun box beach ball. So we'll get to take that to the beach.
That's awesome.
Got a gift voucher.
Some more.
Gift voucher, $10 off all shirts at Fun Box. So maybe we'll check that out.
Awesome.
Sticker.
Is that a sticker?
An ethics sticker. Yep.
Another.
Got another
Jason.
Tom Rohrer
No, Tom Rohrer. Yeah, that.
sticker. We got
GG
a
Company.
GG Company sticker to match our shirt.
Ooh,
Now,
got some socks.
haha, got some pimpin' socks here. Red, white, and blue. Some America socks, I guess. Or
Yeah.
French.
Ooh,
Oh, we got a grip gum koozie for drinks.
canned drinks. Thing.
What we got here? We got a bracelet. Cool. I used to wear a lot of these bracelets and type things when I was a kid. Oh, you know what happened to? We also had the back of the phone thing.
Oh yeah, that's on my phone now.
You took it?
Yeah, sorry. We
That
can
was from
remove
my
it.
phone.
Sorry.
Oh, also this Braille handle,
Yeah,
which Karma already had a handle
yeah.
and didn't talk to me about it.
Sorry.
That was my favorite part of, besides the deck.
I could remove it and then we could hot glue it to your phone
It's
case.
okay. You just keep it.
Yay.
Next time ask. Maybe I'll order one. Maybe I'll buy one next time we're there.
Okay.
Oh, and also got a CD. And it's got dude skateboarding on it. So maybe some skateboard music. We will see. Anyway, that was what was in our fun box. Hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure you comment, like, subscribe,
Yeah.
do all that stuff. And I'll see you next time, YouTube.
Bye.
Bye.